Hi, I'm Chris. I sail boat number 1549. It's an EC12. It's also known as a shark boat. I just hope not to come in last today. Sailing against these skippers, I mean, there's a bunch of national champions, so I've sailed with them before.
My name is Harry. Been sailing since I was 8 years old. I now sail an EC12, and depends on how the weather goes today as to where I fit.
My name is Scott. I've been sailing the EC12 since 1976. I'm one of the class builders. I make all kinds of boats, and just love the EC12s all my whole life. Hey, this is one of our favorite ponds. It's a beautiful venue to sail. We're very grateful we have these people let us use this farm pond. So I hope we're having a good day today.
Hey, good morning. I'm Dave Branning, and I'm the race director here today, and I'm one of the guys not sailing. So that part of the fun is enjoying a great day at the lake with your friends, but I get to bark out the command. So we're looking forward to a good day, and I'm looking at the lake behind this camera, and there is no wind. So we'll be waiting a while.
Good morning, I'm Roger Baldwin. I'm from Park City, Utah. I'm in here for the races. I've been sailing with this group for probably 10 to 15 years and have a lot of fun, met a lot of good people. Like sailing, like the EC12. They're a great boat, and I just enjoy myself.
Hi, I'm Don Barker. I'm in Chestertown. I moved to the eastern shore of Maryland about 10 years ago. Actually, it was longer than that. It's been 11 years now. I've been sailing about the same length of time. I sail just about anything that floats. I've sailed all over the East Coast. I'm here today at Warrenton Farm Pond, which is the closest place to me, which is only about 30 minutes away. We have no wind today. I don't expect much wind at all, so it's going to be a drifting race. We'll just have fun.
I'm Bart. I sail number 777, and I just hope to maybe stay with the pack and beat a couple people today and have a lot of fun.
I'm Jerry Franco.
No. I need the ones for
boat is
for him or for Scott.
I got Spring Lake, New Jersey.
And they're all hot. Because I've
got
got 4 of them sitting at the shop where they don't
belong.
belong.
Doing this for about 8 years.
I went home and I
probably
that thing.
maybe another 2.
Yeah, that thing is,
and then I'll be finished.
It's like 3 minutes.
What else do you need to know? Any questions for me?
It only took 20 minutes to figure out.
What do you expect to happen today? What do you are you going to be
we were like Googling
first?
Like,
I'm going to kill
hell?
him.
How do you make this thing? Oh.
I'm going to name the boat Wet Work.
Rick. Hi, I'm Dave Ramis. We're at the Annapolis, technically Annapolis Regatta in Queenstown, Maryland. And my boat's 05. And today's breeze is going to be coming from the southwest, which is a little bit down the far shore. It's going to be light airs, but we've got a great group of people here, and it should be a lot of fun. It's going to be a good time.
Hello, I'm Drew. My boat's number 94, sailing EC12 today. Just out here to have fun and kick my buddy Tyler's ass. So, other than that, it's going to be a beautiful day.
Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm sailing 167. It's an EC12. And that's kind of a joke. Yeah, he's not going to beat me. But today is just survival, so we'll see what happens.
Good morning, my name is Scott. I sail 1874, and it's supposed to be a glorious day today, light winds, and my goal today is to stay up with the national champions that we have in this region.
No, I'm just here, like I said, to visit and play with my buddies, get our toys out, and have a fun day sailing. No expectations, honestly. Like I say, hopefully we'll get a little air, and whatever happens, happens. But here for the enjoyment, not necessarily the competition. Good to be here.
Hi, I'm Bill. My boat number is 2019. Sailing an EC12 today, and just looking to have a great day with a bunch of good guys in the sun.
Hey race fans, this is Bart Holiday coming to you from Queenstown, Maryland for race 7 of the Annapolis Regatta 2021. The racing is really heating up as the wind has picked up and the racing has become vicious. So far, this race series number 405 has won 5 of the first 6 races, and in the other race, he took 2nd place. So he has got to be the odds-on favorite to win race 7. But there's only one way to find out. We have to race. We have to see if he can win race 7. Gets underway, I want to remind all of you that I am a volunteer just like the other people that are volunteering to bring Sail Wars to you. And do you know how you can thank us? Make sure you sign up for YouTube and click the subscribe button. That way you'll never miss one of our exciting races. Thank you for supporting Sail Wars. Now back to the racing action. At this time, I'd like to do a call-out, shout-out for our newest subscriber, Mark Cooper. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for giving us that love. Our producers want me to let you know that the Region 2 Championships for the Dragon 465, that footage of all 18 races is currently in the editing room. And then, for your pleasure and enjoyment for watching, we will have the Capital Cup. Yes, the Capital Cup, a great Dragon 465 team racing event, which was fantastic. It will be going to the editing room. And then finally, we have the Hagerstown EC12 Regatta. It will be getting edited. So we have lots of fantastic racing coming on just for you. Make sure you hit the like button. And as we can see, the race is halfway over. And here comes that shark boat. The shark boat, I believe, from what I can see, is in the lead. Look at the mouth on that boat and the teeth. Yes, it looks vicious. What a great paint job. And I believe that's 05 chasing after him. If you notice, the marks races. They moved them to the inside 2, which is the red one, all the way over to the white one. As you see them round the mark. The marks on this end have been confusing during the first stages in the first races, but they did move them to better help with the wind. Currently, number 34, Jamie, in that blue and yellow polka dotted boat, is in 3rd. And we nearly have a collision as number 777 Mahi didn't get the memo about the marks being changed. You don't have to go around the green mark. You have to go around that red mark, Mahi. You just gave up valuable space. I hope it doesn't come down to a close finish at the end of the race for a place, because that could have a major impact. And I just saw number 35 miss the mark. I don't believe he's gone back. He just kept going. Did you see that, sports fans? I don't think anyone caught that. I think Roger is having a hard time on the course in this race. Maybe it was the change in marks, or maybe he's just having a bad race. I'm not sure. The wind can be tricky. Look out, Roger! Don't get in the way of the leaders! And look at that polka dot boat go! They are in the home stretch! It looks like Jamie is in first place, but way outside we have another boat. Now remember, the finish line goes out to the white marker. So it's from the blue to the white, I believe, or maybe the red to the white. I'm not sure. One of those markers, but we see number 34 takes first. Here comes, it's going to be tight for second, and number 5, Dave takes second, Chris takes third. Incredible! What a tight finish, and Don takes fourth. Here comes our 5th place boat, number 27, Tyler. Look at the beautiful black and red boat. And the wind makes him shift as he has to get inside before he hits the mark. Scott takes 6th. Scott G to be precise. And number 88 has the same problem with the mark. And Dom takes 7th. 2019, or number 19, comes across in 8th place. And 1756 comes across in 9th. Way to go, Harry. Number 78 takes 10th place. But look at this. It's 405 and 777 battling it out for 10th place. Or for 11th place, actually. And look at that. Remember earlier when Bart went around the wrong mark and gave up all that room? If he would have had that room back, he would have actually beat 405 in this race. Every bit matters, as we see Drew taking 14th place. Now Roger did not finish, so he takes last, and Jerry did not start. I, Bart Holiday, would like to say congratulations to all of our racers and our winners. Make sure you all subscribe and hit like for more videos. We really appreciate your support, and we love doing this for all of our fans and racers out there. This is Brock Holiday signing off. See you at the pub.